Hello everyone, this is Ashu Pratap Singh. Welcome to our channel Code Cutting. So in this video, we'll discuss arrays filter method. Okay, so let's move to console first. So here you can see there is a nums array, and what I want only even number from this array. So what I'll do, I'll call nums dot filter. Okay, simple. Then we have to pass first argument as callback method. Then inside this callback, the first argument is these elements like 1 2 1 2 4 like this, and then another argument is the index. Okay, so right now I have no requirement of index, so I'll remove this. Then what I want to write a logic that call it like num multiply by a percentile 2 equals to 0. Then you can see I got all the numbers, those are even number. Okay, and in a similar way, if you want to some different scenario, then you can say if a number is greater than 5, then only console it. So yeah, you have seen that. So that's how you can work with this. Okay, now we'll discuss one more example, a little bit complex. Okay, so before doing that, what I want to show you one more function of JS, that is index of. Okay, so I'll write nums dot index of. Okay, and if I want the index of 2, then it will return the first index of that particular element inside the array. So if I'll say 1, then the first index will be 0. If I'll say 2, then it will be 1, because you can see there is a 1 at 0 1 2 second index also, but it is not saying that. Okay, so that's how we'll utilize. So the main thing we are going to discuss, we are just going to remove all the duplicate elements from this array. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, so how we will resolve this using the same method, index of. Then okay, let us start. So I'll say nums dot filter. Okay, here the first thing, that is num, then another is index. Okay, if I'll console these thing, this num, okay, then the index, then inside this nums, the index of each element, this num. Okay, let's console it. So you can see, if I'll talk about 1, this particular first element, and the index is 0, that is correct. And inside this, if I'll calculate using the same index of, then it is also saying 0. The first index is 0, and by calculating it using nums index of, it is saying 0, and same for the 2. But here if I'll say with 1, then you can see it is returning the 0 index. Okay, and here the index is 2. So there we are having the logic. If this index is equals to what, this num index, then only return, otherwise don't return. So let's write this again. Well, the return, so return, let's remove this. Okay, so I'll say return, then index equals to and nums dot index of num. Yeah, enter. So you can see I just got all the numbers, those are not repeated like a single time. Okay, I'll remove the console. Okay, now you can see in the single line that 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 15. So all the duplicate elements has been removed. So that's how you can utilize this powerful filter method of array. Okay, so let's move to another example in React. Okay, so here you can see there is a list of items. Okay, so those are the products whose are the title. This is the first thing, that is title, and this is category and its cost. Okay, so and at the top you can see there is a category drop down. Okay, so once I select this beauty, then my beauty category has been selected. If I select furniture, then furniture category has been selected. But what I want to filter all the data using this category drop down. Okay, so how we'll do that? So let's move to VS Code. Okay, so this is the product list where I have passed the list of the product, and this is my drop down. Okay, and here I have this method which is just consoling the things. Okay, so what I want to filter the data. So let's create one more state. Okay, and call it as a filter products. Okay, and here also, okay, call it set filter products. Okay, now once I'll select the category. Okay, so I'll write my logic. So my whole product is inside this product list. I'll console this once. So okay, so you can see there is a list of all the items. There are so many items, so I'll show you only one. So this is one object, and this one object is a one product. Okay, so this is the title, you can see, and this is the category. This is the BT category coming up. Okay, so what I want to filter all the element according to the selected category. So how will I do that? So it's simple. So I'll call products. Okay, then filter, then callback method, then what I want, return. Okay, and here inside the first argument will be my product. Okay, and product dot category should be equals to the selected category. Okay, save it. And now if I'll console this filter products, okay, let's move this and select beauty. So you can see 5 products I have got. Those categories are beauty on the basis of this beauty. Okay, if I'll show you another one, then the category is beauty. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll pass this filter products inside this. Okay, so what I'll say, if there is a length, means if there is a product, if the length of this filter product is greater than 0, it means there is a selected items inside this category. Okay, so you can write your own logic also, but for now I'll write this filter products, otherwise show the products. So it's simple. If there is a product inside filter, okay, then only show filter products, otherwise at the first time just show the products. Okay, let's save it and refresh. So at the first time we'll get all the products. Okay, with each and every category, you can see every category is coming up. And if I'll select like beauty, then you can see only 5 elements are coming. If I'll select another one, furniture, then furnitures, only furnitures are coming up, and you can see the filter of all the element are coming up. So that's how you can also iterate through object of elements. Okay, so this is all about this video. If you like the video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.